Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. Hey, if you're new here, it's free to subscribe. Hit the like button for post notifications, and let's get right on to it. So, Bitcoin is now at 68,000, in the like 950s and 60s, but it looks like we could finally break that 69K. Let's see what happens. But I feel that if we finally can get up to 69K again, we can possibly easily get back up to 70. It did from 70 to 72. But let's pay attention. Let's see if we get, hopefully we don't get rejected if we do hit like 69K. It looked like I'm looking at Bitcoin, the way it's been moving for the past like, week, Bitcoin is literally saying, okay, it's now time for me to get back up to 69, 70K. And like I said, we've been finding new it's been finding new higher highs and higher lows. We got a new higher low at about, I think, 67K was our new higher low, and then it found support at about 67 500, and then we went back up to 68. So that um um what I was going to say, that level of support between 67 and 68 was a good sign for Bitcoin. Now, we got up to, let's see what happens. It looked like we are getting a little bit of rejection right before 60, right before 69. Okay, now we're at 68,891 as I make this video. And anyways, but if ETH is doing pretty good. It looked like ETH is trying to shoot back up to 2,700. But overall, Bitcoin is up over 9%, 9.5% for the 7 day, and it's up over 2.8% for the 24 hours. But like I said, I can see a little bit of rejection at about right before it tries to hit 69K. But I believe this weekend we can possibly hit that 69 70K. But let's see what happens if we do hit 69. But from the way things are looking, Bitcoin will possibly hit 69K from let's just see what if we continue to get rejected. When we get close, it pulls back slightly. But yeah. So yeah, then we have Ethereum. But anyways, I wanted to do an update on Swift coin. My last video I did, people was mentioning Swift. And like I said, I've already said it, a lot of these low cap utilities, I believe their prices has been like controlled. Like maybe it's set up to where they're not going to pump it till like maybe by like after the election, I believe. Yes, especially if Trump wins, I believe that the whole crypto market is going to fly when Trump wins. Whether meme coins are utility, the whole market is going to fly. But of course, utility will as well. But I believe that still that the meme coins is going to even go up higher. But like I said, Swift coin, covered this coin for a few years. The market cap is still low. I think we're about a 20 something million market cap. Has good tokenomics. I've covered that in the past. 10 billion coins, 8.9 billion is in circulation. Um, the proof is in the pudding with it. Check on CoinGecko. That crypto bubbles, it doesn't show the real market cap. It's a little off. So that's why I always refer to CoinGecko. So okay, 26 million market cap. Okay, that's the real market cap. Tokenomics. Check out tokenomics. Yep, 10 billion coins in total supply. 8.9 billion is circulating. So most of the coins are already in circulation. I've covered that in the past. With Swift. As far as price prediction, um, some people in my last video, subscribers, they're saying like 5 to 10 cents by the end of December. For me, it's hard to say at this point. I believe that not just Swift Coin, but I believe a lot of the lower cap utilities has underperformed over the last few months. Like I remember back in July we had that flash crash, and like XNN, Helium Mobile, like Spell got hit really hard. Spell, but just now start pumping again a little bit. Spa. Like I said, I believe a lot of the low caps on Coinbase, and like I said, all these coins are already on Coinbase. I believe that the price has been controlled. They controlled the price to where retail really can't make, much profit. But like I said, a lot of people is holding big bags on these coins, including Swift. They're good projects, like I think the last time Swift really pumped was back in, it was early June. My portfolio was at its all time high. We went up to like we it went up to 75% of a penny. I remember back in early June. Then after that, as time went on, the price just started to decline, and it never came back up. And in July, we had that major flash crash, and Swift actually went all the way down in the like 20 below 24% of a penny. Now, of course, if you was already loading up on Swift, I guess maybe some people like it like this. That gives them more time and opportunity to keep loading their bags for whatever their favorite low cap utility, whether it's Spa, Swift, XNN, Helium Mobile, IDEX, Polyswarm, all these low cap utilities that I've been covering, but unfortunately I would have thought they would have. I actually thought over the summer they were going to go parabolic, but it didn't happen. They were actually just going down, and I actually took some pretty big losses over the summer. Like I said, I was holding a big bag of Swift. But anyways, long story short, I didn't realize this whole time that meme coins were the ones that people were getting into, making a lot of money with memes. You got to go off the exchange and use the wallets. You know what I mean? But yeah. But anyways, Swift coin is not special. We know what the utility is with the cross chain swaps. They got some big money behind the projects or whatever. But I think that, like I said in my last video about utility, they're just not programmed to run right now. I think, like I said, I believe that during or after the election, we're going to start utilities start pumping again, right after the election. But I'm just, none of this is financial advice, but I'm just really giving my opinions. Like I said, the proof is in the puddings. When you compare the utility coins versus the meme coins, most of the meme coins, they've done way better. You're talking about thousands of percent, like in a month, in a couple of months. The utility coins haven't came close to that. That's why I really had to get out of my comfort zone and start using that Coinbase wallet, and I'm glad I did. And sometimes you got to get out your comfort zone. Like I said, I was, one of the main ones, only just buying coins on Coinbase. I wasn't using the wallets like I was looking at a lot of coins that had a lot of gains, but if they wasn't already listed on Coinbase, I wasn't, interested. But I realized that if you want to make these life-changing gains, a lot of these plays you got to get off. They're not going to be on the exchange. You got to, like I said, if you're already on Coinbase, using that Coinbase wallet is pretty simple, especially on your phone. A lot of these assets that are not on Coinbase, they're on the Coinbase wallet. And then on Coinbase, you click on it, you can connect right to the wallet. So I highly recommend people to start using that Coinbase wallet, because that's where a lot of that life-changing gains are going to be on. And this Coinbase wallet is very simple to use. I didn't realize how simple it was to use. Whatever chain you're using, whether it's Solana, whether the meme coin is on Solana base or ETH, it's so simple. You just buy Ethereum or ETH, or Ethereum or base or Solana, whatever network the coin is on, and after that, and you just swap. And then when you sell your position, you just swap it back to that chain, and you can actually sit and send your fiat, your money, back to the Coinbase. It'll go to the Coinbase USD. So like if you already have a Coinbase account, on Coinbase, using that Coinbase wallet is they made it very simple. And we all know that Coinbase owns Base. That's their chain. So they made it even more simpler. But anyways, guys, that's my take. As far as the low cap utilities, me personally, I've already told you guys I'm not in these plays anymore. But if you still want me to cover these, I can still can. But yeah, I can still put the content out for you guys. But I'm just letting you guys know I'm more focused on meme coins now that are on, like, Solana, ETH, or whatever base, because this is what's printing right now. But if you look at the chart over the last few months, like you look at Swift coin, the price action haven't really did anything spectacular. But if you're buying and holding and just waiting for the after the election, going to late 2024, going into 2025, that's perfectly fine. I'm not saying don't buy these. I'm not saying that at all. If you're loading up, nice. There are some people who's holding big bags of Swift. I believe these coins are going to eventually explode. But the meme coins has been already exploding. Like, when we got the flash crashes back over the summer, the meme coins were pumping this whole time. Had I known had I known that, I would have been, already using my Coinbase wallet. It took me a long time to use it, but like I said, I'm glad I got out of my comfort zone and I got in Hoppy, and Hoppy's doing very well right now. we're just over 100 million market cap, and like I said, it got the price discovery, and Hoppy's gonna it's like I said, it's gonna do exactly what Turbo. Unfortunately, I missed out on Turbo because Turbo, like I said, it wasn't on Coinbase, and I wasn't comfortable with trying to use the Coinbase wallet. But had I started using that Coinbase wallet back over the summer and got in Turbo, I would have been up really nice right now. My portfolio would have been at its all-time high. But I missed out on I missed out on life changing money just by missing out on Turbo by not using a Coinbase wallet. And I never realized how simple it was, by using a Coinbase wallet. But anyways, but yeah, that's that. That's how it goes. Something simple as that. Missing out on life changing money because I was scared to get out of my comfort zone. I was only buying the coins on Coinbase, missing out on thousands and thousands of dollars. But anyways, I'm not anymore. Going forward, I'm not anymore. But anyways, guys, that's my take. But Swift coin, yeah, if you're holding a big bag of Swift, hey, like I said, it's gonna eventually do its thing and pump. I guess it's a game of patience. And like I said, I believe a lot of these low cap utilities is just not its time yet. I believe after the election, they're going to start moving. I believe. But anyways, I'm like me personally, like I said, I'm going to focus back on utility. Once I make these life changing gains with the meme coins, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to be looking at some blue chips like Helium. I've already got it set up how I'm going to set up my portfolio. I'm looking at some maybe a couple of blue chip coins and then a couple of low cap utilities. Well, I'm going to hold until like the summer of 2025 or until we get to the height of our bull run, the end of the bull run. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. That is my update on the Swift and the whole crypto market. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. And if you like to support the channel, support the channel. Support the channel, and because I will be releasing private content to the channel members. So yeah, don't miss out on that. Let's see what the community's talking about here. It says Swift long-term bullish, short-term bearish. Okay, Swift very, very bullish. Yeah, there's a lot of people still bullish. Like I said, I believe that Swift is going to be one of the top low cap utilities that's going to run this run. But like I said, this is not going to happen now. Let's pay attention to like November because next month is the election. Like I said, I believe after the election, I believe the whole crypto market is going to fly, whether you're in utility or memes. But like I said before, memes has been doing way better over the last year. You know, um, but yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Super bullish. Only an idiot would sell right now. Yeah, like I said, yeah, if you're already holding a bag on Swift, yeah, it's a good play. Especially if you got in Swift back when like in the 20s where it's at now, it's in the accumulation. So a lot of these low cap utilities are still in accumulation, like XNN, Helium Mobile, Spell, these different SPA. They're still in accumulation. So yeah, this is no fun at all. It's just that a lot of these low cap utilities they're just still in accumulation. But like I said, the meme coins, only the sky's the limit. Those are just going parabolic, you know. Um, Swift go to 30 cents, and I do believe that Swift can still hit 30 to 50 cents, and possibly who knows, possibly even a dollar by the end of the bull run, possibly even up to a dollar. I believe it can still happen. This is no way no fud. I still believe that this coin can get up to a dollar a coin. 50 cents to a dollar is still my target for this coin. But hey, I'm gonna make these life changing gains with the means first, and then I'm gonna start dipping back into these utilities like Swift. But anyways, yeah, man. That is my take. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for post notifications. Hey, I'm gonna get out of here. See you guys in the next one. Peace.